Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we are going to repair some bracelets. We're still working on this bag. I pulled a few out to talk about and then the one that we're going to repair. So these are jelly bracelets. And these were popular, well, I think they've been popular a few different decades, but I was wearing them in the 90s. And I wore a lot of these bracelets before I even knew what candy or rave was. So when I went to my first parties, I would wear these and trade these for candy until I got my own supplies and then, figured out what was going on. But you can tell, like, this used to be purple. I mean, it's still purple, but it's like the color has changed. And they came in all different sizes. I'm pretty sure these two are glow in the dark. This is a thinner glitter one, and this one's glitter. But I know I have more in there. I'll show you guys. But these take me back, that's for sure. And it's kind of cool to like mix these in with candy. I might start doing that again. And this bracelet, it doesn't need repaired, so that's nice. I got this from Euphoric at Cloud, well, is the 9 on there? Yeah. Cloud 9 was the name of the party. It was a warehouse party in Detroit. I am unsure of the date. I want to say like 2006 possibly. But yeah, this is a super cute bracelet. So I don't have to repair that one. Now this is a bracelet we're going to repair. I stopped wearing it. It's pretty loose. I believe I got this from a mail trade on Candy Trade, the first message board. Probably 04, 03. Okay, so I have a long piece of string, and this is called a ladder too, if you don't know. But I like the pattern, and it's an interesting mix of colors together too. So what I'm gonna do, I had this idea. If you are familiar with the ladder, you would normally make your strings even, add your beads, and then cross your string. But I have this idea I think will work easier for restringing it. And you know what? I think I'm going to tie a bead on the end, so I don't lose my string. Just like that. That way I can pull it through. Now I think if I just go up and down, it should work. And then I'll cut the string at the end. It's going to be pretty crazy after I get all these restrung, because I'll have so many choices. I mean, I have a lot of candy. I have a lot of choices to wear, but it'll be cool to rewear all these retired pieces. wonder, might be, I think I'll have to go back and tighten it. Otherwise, it'll be just as loose as the first one. But looking back through my candy, it looks like most of the candy that was made with the cloth covered held up pretty well, you know, for being 20 plus years old. But any of that plastic string doesn't seem to hold up very well. Now I know that Steak and Shake bracelet that we repaired in that last video, that string didn't look so great, but I wore that a lot to work, so it was getting wet, and because I had to wash my hands a lot making milkshakes. Yeah, that candy I put to work. Is this gonna work? You know what? I'm thinking I might have to go through. I think I am gonna have to go back through it again. Because these aren't connected on this side. Yeah. Oh. Yep. I have to go backwards. Yep. Might be difficult to get that string out of there. The old one. Guess we'll find out. Good thing I noticed that I needed to go through this again. I would have cut it and the beads would have went everywhere. Okay, now I think this is it. I think we take this bead off and tie it. What? Well, that seemed easier than I thought it was going to be. Okay, now we need to cut the old string Maybe I should do this where the knot is. The old one. Now trying to get that out of there. Okay. And you can you see the color of the strings different? Okay, there's that. Why isn't that? Oh, okay. Might be easier to just do this one for a while. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, I figured this one might be a little harder to get out. But I will trim it because that'll help. Almost there. There's one. Oh, cool. Oh yeah, that feels better. Ah, good as new. Cool. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this little video and I'll see you next time.